Did you know that your network can be a significant key to your startup success? 1 minute startup know-how. Your network can make all the difference, from receiving valuable advice, identifying talents, to raising funds and establishing important partnerships. Your network is often the catalyst that leads your idea to success. Networking and stakeholder management are essential for your startup. At Max Planck Innovation and the incubation program Maximize, we offer a platform to connect you with the right people, expand your network and learn from your peers. Meet investors, learn from successful founders and possibly find a co-founder. Discover all the benefits. Stakeholder management builds relationships that creates long-term value and opens unexpected opportunities. Stakeholders include internal groups like employees, managers, shareholders, and external groups like customers, suppliers, investors, authorities, and the public. They provide you with the motivation and persistence you need on your startup journey. Managing their different interests is key to success.
Thanks to the startup coaches of Max Planck Innovation's broad network, we were able to establish contact with many industries. This enabled us to take our startup to a next level.
Expand and make use of the power of our network. Become part of Maximize and experience how your spin-off project grows through the right contacts provided by Max Planck Innovation.